I'm Alok. I'm one of the co-founders here at Omnistrate. My primary focus has been so far is helping customers distribute their services, irrespective of whether it's in your account, in your customer's account. So essentially, there's a channel, what we call as distribution channels, right? And so these tend to get complex over time. So one of the things that we've seen is almost as a repeat pattern, both at AWS back when I used to work there, and at Confluent and startups like Confluent. I guess no longer a startup, but still, it took a while for them to get to that growth stage, right? And so what we've seen as a repeat pattern has been that there is this 30 to 40% of building a managed service which goes into undifferentiated work. And so that could include things like cloud infrastructure, things like marketplace integrations, observability integrations, there's a third-party things that go around it, right? And so all of that flows into things like how do your sales ops work? How does the FinOps work? How does the entire thing essentially, when you're building and, think of essentially promising an SLA to your customers, how does that come about? And so we focus on helping ISVs like FalconDB or Rocks, or even Scale to some degree, right? For ISVs like that, help distribute their services to their customers. And so we've made this essentially first-class citizen, if you will, think of it that way, as a problem, because it tends to be more of like a bolt-on in most cases, because obviously ISVs are focused on building their core product. And so that's essentially what Omnistrate is in a nutshell, and that's what we help people do.